Hi everyone! In this video, we're taking a look at Lexar E300 M.2 NVMe SSD enclosure. Let's open it up and see everything we get inside. Starting with the manual. It comes in multiple languages with clear diagrams on how to install an NVMe SSD. Straight to the point, no nonsense. Next, we get a short USB Type-C to USB Type-C cable. It's on the shorter side but feels noticeably thicker and higher quality than standard cables. We also get two rubber lock-in clasps for securing the drive. On top of that, Lexar includes a graphene heatsink, so you can apply it to the top of your drive for better thermal transfer. It's awesome that they included this right in the box. Now here's the enclosure itself. It comes wrapped in a silicone field protective sleeve that actually features lanyard holes, giving the unit some extra drop protection. Once you slide off the sleeve, the enclosure is made almost entirely of aluminum and feels super solid in the hand. On one end, we have the USB Type-C port, and on the other, a quick release latch to open it up. Opening up the enclosure, you'll find another locking clasp pre-installed inside, along with mounting holes to accommodate various sizes of M.2 SSDs. To install the drive, we just need to remove that clasp first. Simply line up the SSD, make sure the pins are properly seated in the slot, push it down, press the rubber clasp into the hole to lock the drive in place. Next, we apply the graphene heatsink. Just stick it on, peel off the top film, and you're good to go. This allows heat to transfer much better to the metal housing and help maintain performance. To close it up, simply slide the aluminum shell back over the frame until it locks into place with a click. Now let's run a quick file transfer to check real-world performance. Moving two files totaling about 30 gigabytes, I'm getting speeds hovering around 600 megabytes per second or higher. That's pretty impressive considering this is over a standard USB Type-C connection. And for all the tech nerds out there, here is a quick benchmark. As you can see, we're hitting roughly 1049 megabytes per second read and 1040 megabytes per second write. That's essentially the theoretical maximum you can push over a standard 10 gigabytes per second USB port. So this enclosure is doing everything it possibly can. I actually ran the test twice and the results stayed rock solid. Overall, this enclosure is a fantastic value and I'm really impressed. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!